Hi, welcome back to the 30-day gratitude system. Today is day 7. How are you doing? I hope you are keeping safe, being happy. The central theme I would like to focus today is feedback. And I believe it's a timely topic. In most countries, people are advised to be at home. And if you look at a household, you can see members of the family seeing each other's face, and many people feel that they're trapped inside their homes because they can't go out, they can't do whatever they want to do and conduct their businesses. Many households I hear that experience some strains in relationships. If you look at what causes the strain in relationships, you could see that it's communication, and specifically about someone is telling another person about what they are doing, how they are doing certain things. So here is the truth bomb. Feedbacks, the best feedbacks, most of the time do not come packaged as a feedback. It comes as an observation, it might come as a complaint, it might come as someone telling you that you really need to do something about it. As part of my continuing research on growth mindset and self-leadership, I come across feedback very often, and I have done a thorough study on it when I was writing my book Infinite Possibilities as well. If you look at the life of superachievers, you could see that they actually grew from being a normal child into a superachiever. And one of the strengths they had was continually looking for feedback. And again, even for them, the feedback didn't come packaged as feedback, but they had a mechanism to convert any communication about their performance into a feedback. I want to tell you how to do that today. It's very simple. So number one, accept that feedbacks do not come as feedbacks. And take this, if those superachievers were able to improve beyond everyone else because of feedbacks, you can also do that. So now, when you hear someone telling you that you need to improve on something, doesn't matter what tone is, whether you felt disappointed, whether you felt angry, when you hear from someone that you need to improve something, just record it in your mind that this is a feedback. I'm going to keep my emotion separate from the message. Number two is convert that message or reframe that message into something that will motivate you to improve in that area. So it might come as rude, it might come as very straightforward. You might be feeling very sad, angry, disappointed, and so on. But you keep that emotion separate from the content of that message, the actual meaning of that message. And you reframe that statement into something that will motivate you to improve in that area. So the gratitude task for today is think about a time when you received a feedback from someone. You took action on that feedback and it resulted in something really fantastic. Are you feeling grateful to that person about that? Are you feeling grateful that you took it in the right spirit and took the action? Are you feeling grateful about all the benefits that you received from that feedback? How would you like to acknowledge that feedback and inform that person that you really appreciate and you are really grateful for that feedback? The second component of a gratitude task, which is the action component, here is it. Have you ever had a situation where someone communicated to you something about your performance Could be from your personal side or from your professional side. You really felt hurt or disappointed, angry or sad, and you decided to completely forget about that. Can you revisit that time, that feedback, and see how you can reframe it to something motivating so that you can reap the benefit out of that feedback as well? And that is it for today. I'll see you tomorrow with another gratitude task. Till then, stay safe, be happy. Bye bye.